The ULO E2 is equipped with clearly arranged operating controls that regulate all of the radiator functions. The thermostatic head is always the main control. The individual controls are activated using the touchpad control panel. The room temperature can be set to between 18 and 26 degrees Celsius in increments of 1 degree using the arrow keys. The boost button activates boost mode and has been preset in the factory to operate for up to 120 minutes. Once the desired temperature is reached, the system automatically returns to comfort mode. The ULO E2 has an access panel for tool-free maintenance, enabling easy access to all functional units and electronic components.